Hey, what's up, Chainlink holders? So this is an emergency update for all Chainlink holder, and you know what's the emergency, my brother? I will tell you, holders. So this time, absolutely very emergency, because you can see, my brother, this time the last 1 hour change occur, the last 24-hour change occur, and the last 7 days change occur. So in the last 7 days, this coin is completely go in the moon now, very fastly, very good change result, my friend. You can see here 5.4% the price is increased now, but the last 24 hour, you can see here minus 4.55% the price is decreased now, and last 1 hour and also decreased now. So it's mean to from last 24 hour this coin is completely fails down. So what's the opinion and what's the price prediction, everything I will tell you in this video, but you need to watch this video continuously and don't skip any second to understand better. Now, my brother, please like this video and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification to every stake channel will update you. This time, my friend, you can see here the last 7 days chart is on the screen, and my brother, you can see here this time I already opened this chart. After this chart, my friend, when I do technical analysis, then you understand, my brother, to really get of coming time, my friend, there is a chance to them moving effort or not, what we do, my brother. So everything I will tell you, so just and only don't skip. You can see, my brother, the channel link, the reason the first line touch the highest point, the second line touch the lowest point. So my friend, you can see here, if you can see after this short jump they fails down, really they fails down, but again, my friend, you can see here they again take a very huge jump now, and my friend, you can see here they again fails down. So my friend, after this short jump, this is not short, this is very huge jump, after this jump, my friend, they will fails down. You can see here on the chart. So it's mean, my brothers, to after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a jump. So exactly, my brothers, try to understand, to after this jump they also fails down. So from last 7 days this is exactly moving upward now, but after this fails, you can see, my friend, last 24 hours they again fails down. So therefore I will tell you, my brothers, to don't see this short fails, because you can see this is just last 24-hour pause, but my friend, I know, my brothers, to after this fails they also take a very huge jump now, and they will give you a good profit now. So Chainlink holder, if you can see, my brothers, to they will recover, my friend, from last 7 days all bad, my friend, all lost. So therefore I will tell you to, I hope in the last 24-hour change occur also they will recover now, my brother. So just in only in upcoming 24 hour. So let's see, my brothers, to what they do, but my prediction is going to be positive now, and I know, my brothers, to upcoming time Chainlink will move upward now. My opinion is also positive. My opinion is that, my brothers, to please hold it, don't sell it, and just and only if you want to invest for a long time, then I think this coin is going to be very good now. So wait for the end of this month, I hope they will give you a good profit now. Thanks for watching, Chainlink holder. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.